Number of interesting things, Will. Top of the list that I wasn't expecting. Qualcomm got a payment of $500 million, an interim payment from a licensee that is in dispute over licensing payments. It's not Apple, so that might help. They're also still in dispute with Apple, hoping to get payments eventually there. That was a benefit to them. We talked about this NXP deal that is due to terminate at midnight, and Steve Mollenkamp's expectations for that. He said what we expect is that it will be terminated. Of course, there are hours left on it, but he was already talking about, of course, what will happen in the event that that deal does not go through. The $30 billion buyback authorization, which he said they will begin to execute on and complete it by the end of 2019. Talking about smartphones, talking about 5G, he did say that the high and premium tiers are continuing to do well for them, particularly in China, that has average selling prices moving higher, and that in the neighborhood of 5G, each of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 800 customers, higher-end chips, is building a 5G device to launch in 2019, which, again, a good sign for them. With 5G networks starting to launch, they expect more of that high-end business. I asked him about prospects for further M&A, given that this deal did not go through. Any big M&A deal would probably have to go through China. He said that's probably not our next path because we know we can drive value organically. We're doing what we said we were going to do, he said, if we didn't think we could get the NXP deal done. Guys, back to you.
And the fact that it wouldn't get done, John, is that a signal that this trade war with China is about a lot more than tariffs?
Yeah, and I think we knew that, but given that Qualcomm had been so positive in their expectation that in the end they would get NXP, for them to have to go to this fallback now and talk about how they're not even thinking about big M&A at this point, you have to wonder how much of that is filtering through into the thinking of other large technology companies. And hey, it's not just China. Remember, Broadcom tried to buy Qualcomm and was blocked by the government, the U.S. government in that case.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.